Hi everyone, I'm Geoffrey, welcome to Make It Happen. Today we are going to make this wood glue scraper. Alright, so I started this project with an old rusty piece of metal that I found. First, I tried to clean it with my angle grinder. I quickly stopped doing it because the rust was too deep in the metal and I knew that I would never get a flat surface that way. So I directly decided to cut a bevel first and then make it flat with another solution. The goal here is to get a piece of metal that looks like a plain knife. You could definitely take an old plain iron to make this way easier. I got the idea from Olivier Verdier, who is a French woodworker and a YouTuber. I will put the link of his video in the description. You should definitely check out his channel, he does a great job. Then I drilled 2 holes to screw this piece of metal on a wood handle. I had to countersink the holes to keep a perfect flat surface once the screws are in place. Then I used a scrap block of wood that comes from a pallet to make a handle. Then I started a long process of trying to make the above surface flat. I first used my belt sander, but the hard surface of the sander was not long enough to attack the entire blade in just one time. So I decided to try another technique with a flat piece of OSB and some sandpaper. This way I could get a bigger flat surface and evenly machine the iron. It was quite a long process, but it ended up being not so bad. I went back to the belt sander to speed up the process, but this time insisting in the front to try not to get an imbalance between the back and the front of the blade. I tried to make quite a sharp bevel, but it is really not easy to make it freehand that way. So if you have an old iron from a plane, you will definitely get a better tool at the end. Alright guys, here we are. So I didn't succeed to make the surface 100% flat. The thing is that when I'm actually scraping the board, sometimes I go over the glue. So what I need to do is actually to lift it a little bit from behind and then it's okay. It's not exactly the result I wanted, but still it works. It's just to scrap some glue, so it does the job. So that's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and how I built this. You can find other videos as well on my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, like, comment, subscribe, share, and ring the bell. Do whatever you want, but it helps me a lot, so I'll appreciate it. I will wish you a good week, and until next time, if you want something, you can just make it happen. Bye.